wakwa baba CMG TV kase boso midin e de ohema esiedia aseda enkoma enkechi health center and afi endpoint homeopathy clinic soma sena me de kase boy e ba besomo yenhwe insema e beti bi e wo kase boni me ene dey die Ghana asem kase atoye e yade a Ghana man pedada wonya ne baby ko Jerry John Rollins enne na for a phobia from the Federation of University Senior Staff Association of Ghana and the University of Health Allied Sciences. Some of your monsa, Ashen Krata say about Tindia, say, and there a idea SS question phone in a woman, you trade so an affiliation penny for Madame, woman in our woman's woman to trade. What do we need ever copy of a J a year seer? A dear COVID-19 shene down on a camera say a bimu ense no smartness your motion a dear woman so afa insemnimu inchwemu eni enche bia eno dupon kese bi etutu wo man mu ni nyina ne se Ghana man pendada Jerry John Rollins ebeto anase babonti se papei waka inchiregu edidim ena mpanifo edi omonsa ehye nkrata ase eba abonti edi opani ye hye eba so ne de ya me ne wokasa de Ghana ye ware home pa ifisende ena mpanifo ekwa kope Ghana man pendada wonya ni baby ko crabbery. Jumakuwa bia ye from say Federation of University Senior Staff Association of Ghana. Omoni University of Health Allied Sciences. Omo de omonsa Ashen Krata se ababontin se nanse mu ono no ebabontin se nanka. Etichafo ewo omo no womo de omu trade e to onom enumu eno mo sade babontin se no omo ne aban no akọ nhyehyeye nti no enya de a omonya de omu trade an eto on enso ene nkra si e masa beto ye pons ne se etichafo yo masa ede omu trade ato on mechire SS for chafo no ene mpanifo bi edede kuna no ade a womo di womu trade ato on ma womu nko edwuma so enkonko ye edwuma ene dey enna ye papa J krabe na odo ani ekokopie mu wo na yie na se a kamia ye se ebi mu ebu enu eguo mesum COVID-19 hu hihye ya na nose mask hye ka ho no ase ebi mu di omonte ye kra se odogo bi enu abe wo mu na mayie na se wo mutaletale so na so ade a ebi mu no nose mask no de emu hihye bi eno ne so mu di omu na emu sa na omuko CMG TV esanse enne na ye papa J krabie nti ye de ni ekokopie mu ye Accra Rollins Park ebisa abakwase mu kra no na first na enye Rollins Park na papa J so na be ye Rollins Park enu ti no ye ni adetonfo ho na ekotwetwe nkomo na ye koye ye ebisa omo se o ende na papa J ye kwakosie na se yekope ne krabie nti no ba ade pa na omo de be kai papa J na ye ho no sei na omo de to ye ni.
You're from a Frenchman. Me Tompa Boa, Rollins Park here. Oh, Rollins there. President Bia, managing home. Is I say, and you know, can never be a meton normal. Because Wababji was says you have fine. I'm being now. Maybe I could be out in Batodia or Hasia. A money dinner there, you're burning deeper. Name and Panifono. Because I'm a cold young Bapame. Kamako, ye pa, I'm a Rollins. Nedio Medical Rollins, no.
Obia from Mansi alias Adwa Mame. It's on night, it's pajamas. Near Manquadico School, pint is bridges, and there will be beer concerning Mpola and penny for laundries. Papa J, dear. Oh, yeah, Papa. Say, we can't cool, Papa J, you'll be any say. But anyway, no, or any Papa. Media autism, none of the Koswa, Sikaw Chrome, Papa J, is on Sikaw Chrome, I mean, but any pebia from so on. Ubia or Nanso. But that's what I say. Papa J, the kind of brabia. Say, Nipania Cranon, just say, oh. I know you say if you hold a hot pine or what so coaching Baba Betson.
Many Rose. Miss Rose, I have Miss Answer the Banku wine. Now, my tone for straight dress. na ye papa Lawrence ewe eye ahomete eye ya pa na de be ka say June 4th eye dan a ono na odi animu ma eye bibia tete ya nte ye raho say papa no afri ye nchen a okọ.
My name is Yahya Husseini. And one thing is that the thing that we can remember for George Rawlings is that normally we Muslims, he came and helped we Muslims. And then our things that the place that we get the democracy to, it's become from him. Normally we do totally mix him very, very well. We mix him very, 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 very well. But we thank God that everything has done very well for us. And normally too, in the NDC too, he is the one that he planned everything for us. Up to today, we all are enjoying the democracy. It's become from him. So we are very appreciated for him for what he has done for the Ghana. So I'm very thankful for everything.
Yeah, friend me Epifani Adunu. Oh, Papa J, the Papa. So you know ntia anka ha say. Yenya baby ento ade Papa J nti. Ya kai ne pa, ya kai no. Ya don pa. Na ya say we free. Oh, Papa J. Papa J, why ye be papa? Why ye be? Ono kura na baby atie Lawrence Park na Dauroma na atie. Di Papa J de ni wo no wo ne de me de me ya papa. Me pena sam fititi. Sa ne party no tie NDC na no kura na me wo musto. Me nsesan. We wo yo. No NDC party no. Papa J tinti na me wo NDC.
Hopes and Della them. One thing I can remember vividly about Papa J is when we were kids, anytime we hear any sound of a helicopter, we just know that's our president coming, and all we shout is JJ, Rawlings, JJ, and that memory is still in my mind. That's one vivid memory I have about him.
And only Kayo Rawlings yeji, bene eba ehani na heko ita ni mumi na dangma can wekumi no ke Kayole. Obaka ile da ejake lengbe ne honeymoon ni de shena ni na e konta Rawlings Park ono ke bakai Jerry John Rawlings
Yewie ye na ye bi so mo say Papa J enye Papa J na ma me wo no de to no JJ no e wo fu mini enti se ka se JJ na nka Papa J ni di na nka ni nyina e yesen na no si say e no mo de to ye ni
Jerry John Rawlings.
It's Jerry John Rawlings. Yeah.
Jerry Rawlings.
Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings.
Jerry John Rawlings.
Jerry Rawlings.
Yewie ya pen yes o enne senia mo ye o man ba ye a mo ti o man mu die na mo pe Papa J asema ye ba ye mo abotu butu die na se munnim enie ma Papa J hu nyina eti ye bo modi ebise o mo se Papa J pa yi abemu pa no be Ghana mampene no so say enom de to ye ni.
Okay, say as since 1992, right?
1992.
Let's say Kamia say 1992 they be Papa J enye 1992 eno be ye mampene. Papa J e be ye mampene 1981 to 2001. Sambre ni mu na Papa J obey Ghana mampani kasebo ni nyina aba na wieye me amede kasebo no ebe som mu no me di ede ohima esi edua enem hwese na ohima maboto na ma share red and black na utimi se enkoyi pa fise Ghana asem kese atu enti me ra hoyi pa na so efunye de obekọ amene mutini ye de adwuma na ene ebe ye me da se wo jebre na wo hwe me na me kai wo se kasebo no eye Enkaechi Health Center and afi so Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic wo mo eno mo so mase a me de kasebo no ebebe so mo ye hwe insem a ye TB e wo kasebo ni me ene de Ghana mampani dada wonya ni baby for Papa JJ Rawlings e adia ende ene papape e krabre e ku bi e from Federation of Universities Senior Staff Association of Ghana, Omoni University of Health Allied Sciences, Omdo Monsash and Transasia Babonte said, a idea and pennyphobia down on any teacher for Mochadia secondary schools, one more day, one more pen, absolutely. Would you when need ever could be more of a Jane a year last year, a idea and for phobia, a bunny go masuma COVID-19 protocol, and idea one more it is. May that say, that's an annoy your best issue, macra.